Guys, we got a new product in the shop I want to talk to you about. It's a peep sight designed by Tooth Products. It's one of the neatest things I've seen in the industry so far. We just put one in my Prime Synergy Hybrid, just took about 30 shots with it outside. The thing did not move. One thing that's really neat about this peep, does not need to be tied in. This will not move, and it does no string damage. A lot of guys come in here, they want a new peep or they want to try a different size peep. It's served in either by myself or somebody else. I got to sit there with a razor blade nicking at the servings to cut it all. And you take a big chance of nicking that bowstring, which I haven't done yet, knock on wood, but it could happen. So you're eliminating a lot of problems. But this is the peep right here. It's made by Tooth. It's called the Peep It. Here's some of their packaging, and we have a lot of loose ones here that we're going to put in our drawers to install into bows. And they even make a tube peep. So it's the same peep, but it has the little peg to put your tube. So now with a tube peep that we set up for the kids a lot, it has to be tied in above and below, and the peep itself has to be tied in. Now we don't have to do that. This will go in, it will not move. So we're going to show you the bow right now that we just put it in on. This is the green Peep It. They have all kinds of different colors. This is my Prime Synergy Hybrid that I use for 3D. And like I said, we just took a whole bunch of shots and this thing did not move, it did not rotate. So I want to show you real fast how easy it is to take this out and put the new one in. It's actually going to take longer to get it into the press than to work on the peep. So we're in the press. So right now I know this peep is 6 inches from my knock. So all I have to do, what happens is peep just kind of winds right around. Let me take a little more pressure off. Your string's still split in half and just winds right through. There's one side. There's our other side. So now here's our peep. We want to put this in. I got my mark on the string right there. Take one side, wind that right around. Take your other side, wind that right through. So now we flip it over, make sure we're in all of our string grooves, which we're not. Now we are. Everything's in the grooves, everything's tight. Add the pressure back, and there she is. So to get to my mark, now this is how much pressure it takes. It takes a lot of pressure to get that to move. So right now I'm right back onto my mark and she's ready to shoot. You don't have to tie anything in. It's a phenomenal product. We're really excited about it here in the shop, and we're going to be moving a lot of these. Thanks, guys.